Hey dudes and chicks and neither of those rules don't apply to you. Welcome to Makeup for Last Time. My name is Katie. Today I'm going to be popping this palette's cherry. This is the Sleepover palette by Unearthly Cosmetics, formerly Alien. I feel like I don't ever get to stop saying that because I've been using Alien on this channel for so long that I just don't want to. I just want to make sure that you guys all know that this is still the same brand that we know and love from my channel, like from all this time. So this is what the color story looks like. You guys fucking know I saw this and was like, that is my favorite palette Unearthly has ever done. This color right here was the star for me. It really drew my attention. And then like these deeper colors right here were the ones that really like stole my heart like right away. I was super excited the minute I saw this drop. So that's the palette. And then I also got the blushes and the highlighter. There is Cherub and Charmed, which is a little cooler, a little more purpley. And then this highlighter, which is actually super fucking cute. And I say actually, not because it would ever not be cute, but like you guys know, like pink highlighters are kind of not really my thing. But this highlighter is actually really cute. And honestly, I might declutter a couple of other of my highlighters because I just like the consistency and the color of this. And also, I love Unearthly Cosmetics. So like, I would rather get rid of some other highlighters by other brands that I, you know, they're good. They're good brands. They're just not my fucking brands, right? So anyways, this is what it looks like. It's kind of a, it's a pink, it's more pink than peach, but it's like one of those peachy, purpley, like when you apply it, it actually peaches the fuck. It peaches the house. And then also there's a lip gloss, which I did not use clearly. It's a mood gloss, like when you put it on like this and then it turns into this. No, I tried it, but it wasn't dramatic enough for the look that I have on today. So I figured you guys are gonna get a lot of opportunities to see the glosses by other creators that are gonna get this and they're gonna show you what it looks like. It looks pretty fucking great. I just wanted something a little bit darker, so I used this. Like maybe the most opposite color that I have in my collection, but anyways, if you guys are curious to see how I got this look or interested in hearing my final thoughts on this palette or this whole collection, or if you just like to watch, then hang out. Okay, I'm going to start with my Made by Mitchell ME1, and I'm going to go into the color Sleepover. I mean, this color has been screaming my name the entire time. From the fucking first reveal, I'm like, ooh, 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 I want in that. As usual, I'm primed with my P. Louise primer in Numero 2, and I'm just gonna really faintly blend that down, but I wanna get that way more. And then what am I gonna do? I'm probably gonna use my REPHR, no, use my Wayne Goss number 19, and I'm gonna go into the color, fuck, I like all these colors. I'm gonna go into Flirty. And I'm going to go 50% on and 50% off with a packing motion. I don't want to get too out of control with this color. I just really want it to be like just the edge and then most of this like that lightest pink. There we go. I like that. I'll build it up obviously, but and then I'm going to go in with my ZOEVA 227 and I'm going to go into the color Beloved. And I'm going to use that to blend everything out. Going into the innest to the inny. Oh yeah, that looks cute. Yeah, this matches my shirt. I mean, kind of. It's like, it kind of matches my shirt. So I'm kind of going with it like really packed in the inner corner. And then I'm just kind of using it as a blending shade on the outer rim. cute. Now I'm going to go back over everything. I'm going into Flirty with my Wayne Goss number 19. Give it a little sandwich action. I'm going to bring it up a little higher because you guys know I'm going to be bringing that darkest color up. Sleepover, I'm going to be bringing that up a lot higher. And then into Sleepover. I don't want this to look droopy right here, but I don't want to go as high as I normally do with the darkest shade because like I feel like I just don't want it to be that dark. I feel like using this bigger brush kind of makes that easier because it's not so packed on there. Now I'm going into Flirty with the Wayne Goss number 19, 50% on and 50% off. And then into Beloved, I'm starting in the inner corner, blending that right there. Just kind of going back and forth. So I was, you know, I kind of have been trying to like listen to some like, well, not really trying to listen to some different music, but I've been making like manifestation playlists and stuff like that to like, you know, like things that like attract like better shit to me or whatever. And I always get this idea in my head that like one of the reasons why I struggle so hard is because the music I listen to like draws a negative like force. Even though I know that like the music that I listen to makes me feel good. I've been really like interested and like into like energy and energy work lately and like energy meditations and like law of attraction kind of shit. Abraham Hicks and whatever, if you guys haven't heard of it. You know, you can Google it. I mean, it might be pretty out there for some of you, but for the others of you, I'm like way behind, right? So I kind of did a little bit of research and which I've done before. But essentially, like, people who listen to heavy metal, they don't have the same... People who listen to heavy metal don't feel like anger and rage and hatred when they listen to it. Like, most people, that's what they feel when they listen to it. It makes them, like, angry and crazy feeling. But, like, people who listen to heavy metal, that's not how they feel when they listen to it. Listening to heavy metal makes them feel, like, joy and, like, empowered. It makes them feel powerful. And so, like... There are correlations and connections between people who have trauma and people who struggle with depression and anxiety and things of that nature and heavy metal. Like, a lot of people who listen to heavy metal struggle with anxiety and depression. Or, I don't know what's a lot. I don't know what a lot is. But you know what I mean? Like, basically, like, there are more people that listen to metal that struggle with, like, mental health shit, basically, than people who don't. But on the same token, like, people who listen to heavy metal, it makes them feel like empowered and happy and joyous. And so I don't know, like, I made a playlist, like my manifestation playlist of all of the like motivational, quote unquote motivational metal songs. And I've had it for a while and I like it a lot, but I kind of just wanted to like expand and see like, you know, if like other music made a difference. You know what? I'll post, if I can, I'll put a link in the description box of my like, it's my I Make Shit Happen playlist, and it's like basically like all heavy metal songs that have like an inspirational message. Well, probably not all. You guys, if you guys decide to listen to it, it's going to be a Spotify playlist. So if you guys decide to listen to it, then you will have to have Spotify. If you guys listen to it and you feel like there's songs that I missed, then let me know. But I have a lot of really good songs on there, and you guys would probably enjoy it. I've been really into like finding people that I've been like following or like getting coaching from or like taking their courses and like finding their shit on fucking Spotify and like finding what they're listening to. Like, I find that, you know what I mean? Like, I want to know what people that I admire are listening to on Spotify. So anyways, I've been loving that. And yeah, like research shows that people who listen to heavy metal, they don't feel fucking negative feelings when they listen to it. Now, maybe there's, you know, something in that like they already felt those things. But I read a while ago that people who listen to heavy metal are actually more able to, they're like more resilient, but they're more able to handle things that life throws at them. Like how was it worded? I don't know. It was a long time ago that I read it, but they're more able to handle like hardship in life. People who listen to heavy metal are they're more equipped. I'm going in with my MODA Pro BMX 402. This is an oldie but goodie. I got it in BoxyCharm, if that says anything to you. I don't know how many of you guys have been here for this long, but like a long time ago I started getting BoxyCharm and I was like gonna do the deal, even though I knew like I don't really like subscriptions because of I already had a shit ton of makeup when I started my channel, and I just knew that I did not need to be getting a bunch of makeup that I actually didn't intentionally want. And so like BoxyCharm is really great for people who don't maybe have a ton of money for, but who the fuck does? I mean, most of us don't have a ton of money for makeup, but it's like a priority for us. So it's good for people who makeup isn't necessarily that much of a priority, but I also think it's good for people who are less experienced and they're like just like to experiment with stuff and like try different things. That shit ain't me. I don't like to fucking experiment. I feel like I already know exactly what I like, and I'm like pretty well... Man, I really like that. I went really high with that fucking dark shade again. Oh well. But like if they like to try stuff and they're like, and especially if you like are into skincare, but like I'm really strict about my skincare. Like I only use Arbonne skincare, and so like I'm like crazy like that. I use a couple of Inky List products, Paula's Choice, but other than that I only use Arbonne on my face. So I don't fucking have any desire or need to try any new skincare products. I'm gonna go like this. There we go. Ooh, cute. How many of you guys have this palette on the way? Man, I was so excited about this motherfucker. It's like the best. It's like the best fucking Valentine's Day palette. Well, I mean, it's obviously, it's just a really good fucking Valentine's Day palette, and I think that this color right here is what makes it like special and unique. But we'll see, because I'm gonna use that other dark color too, which I wasn't gonna do, but I'm going to anyway. Because I never do what I tell myself. I found my fucking NYX glitter primer in my eyeliner case. I have one of those Made by Mitchell eyeliner cases. Okay, I'm going in with my NYX glitter primer on my AOA E131. And with my ZOEVA 234, I'm actually going to go into Stay In, this darker shade, and I'm going to use that on the back half. And then with the back half, I'm going to go in with Bouquet. Ooh. Cute. Now, I chose this color because, ooh, that looks cool. It matches the lippy really well that comes with this collection. Yeah, that looks awesome. Yes. And then what? I'm going to use this Bold Morphe JH39 pencil brush, and I'm going to use that in the inner corner on the lower lid. I swear to God. And with my REPHR 03, I'm going to go into Satin, and I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight. And I'm gonna spray it. Cute. And I'm gonna just do a little bit up here, see how. That looks good. Okay, I think I'm gonna actually just put, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna just, there we go. Because I kind of blended out there. My daughter's got I've got parent-teacher conferences tonight, shit. Oh, at least it's pink. I really like that fade right there. That looks fucking dank. Okay, I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face and I'll be back when I'm done. So, this is the manifesto, the pièce de résistance. I use my Unearthly Cosmetics eye wigs in Supreme Being, and I really like them. The thing that I like the most about it, and I'll kind of zoom you guys in so I can show you, I like it that the inner corner kind of goes in like that, so that, because I can't put my lashes in as far as I see other people who have been wearing their lashes for a really long time. It makes my eyes water if I go in any further than this. And so it kind of gives the illusion, I don't know if you can see that, it kind of goes in there so that it covers that up a little bit. So I really like that. And honestly, I've been trying a lot of different lashes lately and realizing that I haven't really branched out as far as that goes. So I'm going to back you guys back out and make sure I don't go too far. Don't want to back out too far. Anyway, just kidding. After several lippies, I finally stayed on. This is, I'm pretty sure this is Purgatory by Black Moon Cosmetics. I don't know where the sticker went. That's actually irritating. This is the first time I've ever used it. So I think this is called Purgatory. I got it when I got for the, I think it was Labor Day weekend sale. I was going to use this. It's super cute. It smells good. It looks good. It's very shiny. The consistency is really comfortable. It's like thicky a little. It's not like, it's just, it's a good gloss, but you know me, I had to go a little bit. I like the drama. So I was going to put this over the top, but then I just like this color so much. And I actually put on several colors that I tried that I was going to put this over. And then I just decided, fuck it. You know what? Everybody's going to use this gloss and it's a good gloss. So I actually see some looks where I could do a little bit more of an airy look using this color and then just barely going in to deepen like with these, not the way I normally do. And if I did that, then, and also I used the NYX Faux White in linen. It's the pink. I just wanted to do some things that were different. I didn't want to do the predictable move. So when I got back on here, you guys were like, yeah, we knew you were going to do that. I wanted to do something unpredictable. I also used the blush in Cherub. And I think it looks good. And then I use the highlighter in Bow and Arrow, which I actually really like for just a pinky peachy little number. I think it looks really good. I think the whole look is really cohesive. It looks really great. It's a great Valentine's Day collection. Also, you guys know how much I love pink, so it doesn't, every day is Valentine's Day to me. So I want to talk about the palette. It performs really well. I think it's really, you can actually, it's very functional. You've got, it's got midsies, like these are the midsies, a deepening shade and then a lighter shade. And then I like it that it's got like the variety of like a deep, a mid, inner corner and another mid. Oh, you know what else is? I went in with a little tiny baby brush and I put this over the top of my middle of my lid just because like I said, I just wanted to do something different. I felt like what I had done looked really typical of what I usually do. So anyways, the palette performs great. If you guys are interested in buying it, I think it's on pre-sale. You can use my code LOSSEDKATIE. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you don't use it, that's totally fine. You guys just watching my channel helps me out a lot. Everything you guys do, I appreciate so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because you can't wait to see what happens next. Hit the like button if you like this look or if you just like my sparkling personality, my boyish charm, and hang out with me in the comments because I fucking love it. If you got like partway through this video and you're like, oh my god, this girl is so pretty until she opens her big fucking mouth, then go check me out on Instagram. I don't talk as much on Instagram. And if you're like, don't sugarcoat it, Katie, why don't you tell us how you really feel, then go check me out on Patreon because I don't hold anything back on there. Thank you guys so much for watching. You could have been anywhere, but you were here wasting your time with me, and I totally appreciate you. Later. Slayer.